I got here a 2021 Toyota Corolla. Customer complaint is the microphone doesn't work. So start the car up. Let's just wait till this thing turns on. So he said the stereo works fine, but the minute you try connecting your Bluetooth, the person on the other side can't hear you. So I think the quickest way to test that is just to use this button right here. It's actually initializing because I just turned the car on. Okay.
Correct.
Okay, so
before you start, consider viewing the available video tutorials or voice training functionality.
audio.
Sorry, could you repeat that?
Audio.
I'm sorry, I still didn't understand. To see a list of available command examples, say something like phone help. Other available commands are displayed on the screen.
Phone help.
I'm sorry.
See,
Didn't understand.
it can't hear me. The mic's not working. He said it doesn't work for the it doesn't work for what's called either, the phone. I gotta shut this off. Okay, now this is very simple. I'm not even doing a scan on this car because I've seen this problem many times before. This button right here should have a green light on. If it doesn't, see it's just blank here, they freeze. And the only way to turn this back on, I mean, maybe you could disconnect the DNC module from, I think it's under the seat, but the easier way is just unplug the battery for 30 minutes. All right, so let's go do that quickly. All right, let's take this off. Let's get this guy off also. All right, I'm gonna leave it like this. I'll bring it back when it's done. All right, it's a little over a half hour. Let's get this thing back on. All right, let's see if anything changed. All right, let's see. All right, there's no lights here. Could be the car's not on. Oh, we got a red light right now. Green. It's probably just configuring. Okay, it's green now. Let's try this. Just takes a minute to turn on. Nope, wait another second. Audio.
Here are some command examples for music.
There you go, it works. So all it was, you just gotta, you know, short the battery for, disconnect the battery for about a half hour and it should reset the system. Now, it could be other options. There is a fuse powering this up. It could be blowing the DCM fuse. What else is there? I think there's upgrades, some updates to the computer that sometimes cause these issues. But always first just try disconnecting the battery for a half hour. All right, thanks for watching.